Hello student, how are you? Are you ready to study? Let's start. Let's investigate what happens when a liquid evaporates from a solution. You will need salt, warm water, 2 beaker glass and a plate. 1. Put some salt in each beaker. 2. Pour some warm water into each beaker. I use around 100 milliliters. Stir it carefully until you cannot see the salt anymore, and it means it's become solution. 4. Put some salt solution from the beaker on the plate and leave the rest in the beaker. Place the beaker and the plate next to a window. What will happen on the next day? Now, let's investigate about dissolving. You will need salt, sugar, and coffee powder. 1. Measure 50 ml of water into each glass. 2. In glass A, stir in a spoonful of salt. 3. In glass B, stir in a spoonful of sugar. 3. In glass C, stir in a spoonful of coffee powder. What happens to each mixture in the glass? Where have the salt and sugar gone? What about the coffee powder? Which solids are soluble, which are insoluble? What must you keep the same in order to make this a fair test? A mixture is made of two different substances which are mixed. How can you separate the insoluble solids from the water? We are going to use sieving and pour it into the sieving. As you can see, the coffee mixture stay on the sieving while the leftover still in the measuring glass. In this mixture are too small or tiny, we need to separate it with filter paper. Place the filter paper on the funnel. Pour the coffee mixture onto it. As you can see, some mixture dripping down and the leftover is on the paper filter. After filtering the coffee mixture with filter paper, the leftover is clearer. Now, let's explore insoluble substances. Prepare at least 5 insoluble substances. Take a glass and fill it with water. Put all the insoluble substances in it. Observe what happens. How can you separate the insoluble solids from the water? How can you separate the solids into different piles? We're going to use the sieving again. Place the sieving on the funnel. Pour the mixture. As you can see, all the insoluble material left on the sieving, and it's separated now.